Hello, how to solve for a in this equation? 8 to the power of a multiplied by 8 to the power of a is equal to 24. Solution. We have 8 to the power of a multiplied by 8 to the power of a is equal to 24. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 8 to the power of a plus a is equal to 24. Then this is 8 to the power of 2a is equal to 24. Let's take the log of both sides. We have log 8 to the power of 2a is equal to log 24. Then this is 2a log 8 is equal to log 24. That is, if you have log p to the power of m, this is equal to m log p. Then let's divide both sides of this equation by log 8. This divided by log 8. This divided by log 8. This will cancel this. 2a is equal to log 24 divided by log 8. Then 24 is equal to 8 times 3. Here we have 2a is equal to log 8 multiplied by 3 divided by log 8. Take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then 2a is equal to log 8 plus log 3 divided by log 8. And this is 2a is equal to log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 3 divided by log 8. This will cancel this. 2a is equal to, from here, this is 1 plus log 3 divided by log 8. Now take note of this, that 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. 2a is equal to 1 plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power of 3. And this implies that we have 2a is equal to 1 plus log 3 divided by, this can be written as 3 log 2. Then 2a is equal to 1 plus, this is 1 over 3 log 3 base 2, because if you have log a divided by log b, this is equal to log a base b. Now let's divide all through by 2. Divided by 2. A will be equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 log 3 base 2. This is the value of A. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 8 to the power of A multiplied by 8 to the power of A is equal to 24. Then this is 8 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 log 3 base 2 multiplied by 8 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 log 3 base 2 must be equal to 24. And this can be written as 8 to the power of 2 bracket 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 log 3 base 2 must be equal to 24. Then this will cancel this, and 2 here, 3. We have 8 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2 must be equal to 24. Then 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 bracket 1 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2 must be equal to 24. Now here we have 2 to the power of 3 times 1. This is 3 plus 3 over 3 log 3 base 2 must be equal to 24. This will cancel this. Then we know that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 3. We have 8 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 must be equal to 24. Then take note of this, that if you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b. Here we have 8 multiplied by the whole of this is 3 must be equal to 24. Now 8 times 3, this is 24, is equal to 24, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.